Hello everyone. In this playlist, I will solve November 21 exams. I will first start with applications and interpretations. Then analysis questions will come as well. You should have your own copies of questions. I'm not allowed to show the questions themselves. Let's start. This is the first one in HL paper and question 4 in SL paper. Start with writing coordinates on the diagram. We are supposed to find the gradients. We will just use gradient formula between A and C. Then we are supposed to find the gradient of BD. It's a perpendicular line, so it's supposed to be negative reciprocal of AC. So gradient is -1/3. Luckily, we don't have to do anything for y-intercept. It is already given, so we can write the equation in slope-intercept form. We are supposed to give our answer in standard form, where a, b, and d are integers. So let's multiply everything by 3 and accumulate all the terms on the left-hand side. For question 3, we are supposed to find x coordinate of d, which means y equals to 0 and x equals to 12 is our solution. Thanks for watching. I will try to record all of them in a couple of days. See you soon.